Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Rajendra Agarwal. Today we will discuss some questions that are related to SAP ABAP. These questions are very important. These are the important questions that I have created. These important questions definitely help you in your exam, SAP exam. Now, first, the database object created in ABAP dictionary. It is index and views. The database object that is created in ABAP dictionary is index and views. And those who have uh, those who have studying SAP ABAP or those who have not given the exams, this type of questions, these questions definitely will help you in your exam. So take this all these questions seriously and practice all these questions. Now first we will see first question, database object created in ABAP dictionary. So database object created in ABAP dictionary, it is, the answer is index and views. No, not foreign key relationship IDB, it is index and views. Second, now second question, predefined incomplete ABAP type. Now what is predefined incomplete ABAP type? It is XNP. The predefined incomplete ABAP type is XNP. All the answers which is correct are in green color. Now first, predefined incomplete ABAP type, it is XNP. Now coming to the third question. Third question is, which enhancement can provide screen exit? It is new body, classical body and customer exit. And this question that I am giving, it is very important, very important. Definitely these types of question will ask in your SAP exam. So take this all these questions seriously. How can you read the line in internal table? So specify line index, specify secondary table key, or specify where condition. By using specify line index, by using specify secondary table key, and by using specify where condition, you can read the line in internal table. Now coming to the fifth question, my class definition public section, method do something, event state change, class method static one, private section. Now type T table, type standard table T001 with non-unique key, and constant GC constant type I value 1, and class. Which component of the class can be static method static one access directly? It will be GC constant and T table. Now sixth question, function of ABAP dispatcher, distribute request among the WP, saving processing request in the requesting queue, it integrates the presentation layer. Now seventh question, which of the following you can define in both structure and internal table in ABAP? It is enhancement category and FK relationship, foreign key relationship. Now create data object. Now eighth question, create data object. Now how to create a data object? By using parameters, constant and class data. Ninth question, you have been asked to review the following expert which processes character strings. Result is equal to find value ABAP sub a oct is equal to 2 case x. Correct. It is like in a small program. Now you have to write the now you have to choose the correct answer, and the correct answer is 6. D1 6. Now coming to the 10th question, you want to develop a processes character type data. When you implement the program, you can either use the classical string statement or newer string expressions and function. What are the main benefit of using string expression and string functions? In your SAP exam, they will ask multiple choice questions. It will have 2 correct answers or 3 correct answer or 1 correct answer. So they will give there are 2 correct answers in this question. So you have to choose 2 correct answers or 3 correct answers. They will give the note that there are 2 correct answers. You have to choose the 2 correct answers. Now the answer for this 10th question is, you can reduce the number of intermediate variables. You can write compact syntax instead of long sequence of statement. Now 11th question, dictionary can refer domain, structure, table or data element. The answer is data element. Dictionary can refer domain, data element. Now what can be defined using implement enhancement option? There will be a note. There are 3 correct answers to this question. Now the answer will be additional parameter in SAP function model, additional attribute in global SAP classes, override for global SAP method. And one more thing I have to tell you, that at the time of giving your exam, don't take stress, just be relaxed, just be cool. Don't take stress, don't take tension, just relax and give your exam. You will definitely score well. Now coming to the 13th questions. This type of questions are very important, so write it down, take notes, and practice these types of questions, because this type of question definitely they will ask in your SAP exam. Those who are giving the SAP exam, best of luck to them. Now coming to the 13th question, how is data shared between web and controlled using context mapping from view controller to component controller? So the answer will be using context mapping from view controller to component controller. Which of the following actions can you perform for breakpoints? So the option will be breakpoint at statement. Breakpoint at statement. First option. Now coming to the 15th question. Which addition of parameter statement can be used to input field selection screen on the suggestion value? It will be default and value check. Now coming to the 16th question. What must exist before you create a new transportable function model? It will be package, function group and change request. Now in bracket I have written 3. 3 means that 3 options are correct. In your main exam they will definitely give like 2 options are correct, 3 options are correct, or 4 options are correct. Most of time 2 and 3 are there. Let's see. Now coming to the 17th question. Which of the following elements can be string template content? It is function, method caller and literals. Now advantage of modularization. 18th question. It is reusability, transparency and maintainability. Now coming to the 19th question. What transaction can be used to carry out modification adjustment after a system upgrade? It is SPAU and SPDD. What ABAP statement can you use to create a instance of class CL/GUI customer container in ABAP program? It is data go container type ref to CL/GUI customer container create object go container. What are the tasks of database interface? You write a program that updates a data records in database using the following statement. Update SCAR form is SCAR. Which of the following tasks does the database interface perform? It applies a logical log to the upgraded data record. It translates the statement to native SQL. Now it can be part of signature of an instant constructor container. It is import parameter and exception. Now 23. Which addition to the parameter statement can you use to fill the input fields on the selection screen with the suggestion value? It is default EX parameter P1 type I default 10. Now 24th question. The code of executable program does not contain any event keywords. What event block does the code belong to? It is start of selection. 25th question. Field symbol assigned to a character. Which of the following generic types can you use to define a field symbol that will be assigned to the character string? It is type C like, type any and type C sequence. Now advantage of OpenSQL. It can be used with any DBMS. All standard SQL commands can be used. Coming to 27th question. You create a class of inheriting from superclass. A superclass contains a public instant method do something. You want to redefine the method. Signature cannot be changed, has to redefine in same visibility. Now 20th question. What processes can we set when you run the code inspector? It is character variant, object set name, inspection name. What type of method is generated automatically when you assign an action to button UI element? What type of method is generated by WD Explorer when you assign an action to the button UI element? It is event handler. Now one more thing. Now 30 question. You write a report that display mass data in a table. You decide to use the ALB grid controller class CL GUI ALB grid instead of class list display with write statement. Which of the following function can you offer to user without doing any specific programming? Sort and filter the data by any column. Change the column width and sequence. Now 31 question. In which of the following source code block you can define local data object? It is state, It is static method, subroutine, and function module. Now, incomplete data type are C and PX. You need to create a piece of code that can be used by multiple programs. Which of the following technique for modularization does SAP recommend? A method in global interface, a function module in function module. Now 34th question, in which order you implement a new BADI? Enhancement, spot implementation, BADI implementation. What are the components of SAP NetWeaver as ABAP 7.1x and higher? It is ICM and message server. Now, how will you search for classical BADI in a program? Search for suitable entries in relevant component in implementation guide. Search in application program for method get instead of class CL exit handler. Now 37th question. You have been asked to a customer to develop OpenSQL code to convert the value of agreement ARG into SAP into ABAP dictionary specification. It is cast ARG as type. Which of the following you can assign a search help? Structure component, check table, and data element. What happens if the application sent a type E message during the check CB module processing? The screen is displayed again without processing PBO flow logic. Only fields B and C are ready for input. Now 40 question. What are the standard hook methods? The answer will be WDD OINT and WDD OExit. Now one more thing, there are total 75 questions. All these questions are very important. Do practice this question. It will definitely help you in your SAP ABAP main exam, because this type of questions surely will come to your exam. And one more thing, do practice SAP ABAP daily. So coming to the 41 question, static constructor rules. You cannot use parameter. You can only define static constructor in public section. You must name the method class constructor. Now 42. Your program class uses the class CL GUI ALV grid to generate the class ALV grid control. What do you need in your program to reach the double clicking a row in ALV grid? It is handler class, a set handler statement to register the handler to the event, handler method for double click event. What are the new features of OpenSQL? It is case expression and string expression. Now you define a database view A and maintenance view B in ABAP dictionary. What restriction applied to these views? It will be the table joined in the B must have foreign key relationship. Only A can be used in the form of clause of select statement. What are the things that enhancement spot will manage? The options are classical BADI, explicit enhancement point, implicit enhancement point, explicit enhancement section, new BADI. The answers are explicit enhancement point and explicit enhancement section and new BADI. Exporting parameters name PARAM1. You enhance an SAP standard global class by defining a post method for an SAP method. The original SAP method has exporting parameter name PARAM1. What parameter does the post method have? It's changing parameter name PARAM1. Now 47th question. You call a lock module. Which exception could the lock module raised when a logical lock cannot be set? Foreign lock and system failure. In which event block can you overwrite the default value of a parameter field on the selection screen? It is initialization. What must you do to create a singleton class? Set the class instantiation to prevent and instantiate the class in static method of class itself. Now which of the elementary data type is deep? It is string. How data types can be used throughout the system? It is in ABAP dictionary in global class. You build a dialog screen with an input field in ABAP program. How do you ensure that the constraint of screen field can be assigned in program? Defining the data object in program with the same name as a screen field. A user runs an ABAP program, enters an incorrect value on the selection screen and chooses executes which event block must send the error message in order to display the selection screen again at selection screen. There are some codes as well in your MCQ exam, SAP Web. Now the 54th question, it have some codes related to it, but the answer is sorted table, index table and standard table. The answer will be sorted table, index table and standard table. The customer has asked that you improve performance for a small table with frequency read access. What buffering do you recommend? Full buffering. Advantages of defining text symbols in executable program. It is to loop over iTab without copying each table row to a work area. How can you achieve this using the field symbol? Loop at iTab assign fs. A class is given. Superclass definition is given from which component can be addressed directly from subclass. CLI airplane. It is public protected. How do you create a lock object and lock model for using the ABAP program that access the database? Using the ABAP dictionary to create the lock object, the lock model are created automatically. Where can you define the data type that can be used throughout the system? In global class in ABAP dictionary. You are asked to enhance the GUI status in a standard application. How do you identify which menu exit function can you use? It start with plus. You have created Z tab. You want to create foreign key relationship to the table SAP tab. Under which of the condition is this possible? The answer is both table fields should have same domain. 63. Which of the following you can perform in both ABAP editor and ABAP debugger? It is breakpoint. Purpose of enqueuing processes. This is lock management. 66 question. You have created the following repository object: a class with event definitions, a handler class with method on event with handles the event, a report that instance the handler class. The report does not reach to the event. How do you analyze the issue? First, check if the handler method is registered. Check if the implementation of handler method on event EVT contains the correct logic. Check if the event triggered by settings a breakpoint at the raise event statement. Now 67th question. What is data binding? Connecting the value of user interface element to the context attribute of the corresponding controller. Now coming to the 68th question. You are making changes to a program that already has transaction code linked to it. Your colleague is testing the transaction in your development system. At a point, you can change the version by program by tested when you activate the program. After which of the statement will runtime system initialize the ABAP memory? Leave to the transaction. You are writing ABAP declaration using data element scrr_id. Which of the following statement correctly define the data object? There are two correct answers to this question. First is data GVID like SCARR_ID and data GVID type SCARR_ID. Now 71. What do you need to consider when creating a secondary index on a table? The answers are: most frequently selected fields should be first position in the index. The table will be updated more quickly if you create more index. 72. In ABAP program processes, the following expression R is equal to A/B plus C. Which of the following data declaration could cause the runtime environment to use fixed point arithmetic for the above expression? There are two correct answers. First is data R type F, A type I value 201, B type I value 200 and C type F. And the second option is data R type P decimal 2, A type I value 201, B type I value 200, C type P. 73. You define a database view A and maintenance view B in ABAP dictionary. What restriction applied to these views? The answer is tables joined in B must have foreign key relationship. Only A can be used in form clause of a select statement. You have overwrite spaces in a string with letter A. Which of the following statement can you use? There are three correct answers to the question: replace, over relay translate. Now 75th question, you write the following above statement, select single carried content city form city2 form SPFLI into GSSPFLI where carried is equal to PACR, content is equal to PACon. How are the fields in the field list of the select statement copied the target structure of GSSPFLI? The correct answer is they are copied from left to right. Now 76th question, it is the last question. How do you discard update request, message type A, message type E and rollback work? Now all these questions are very important, very important. So I request all of you to pause the video and write all these questions in your notebook. That's it. It will definitely help you in your exam. So thank you for watching. Bye.